Are you having problems with your heating or cooling system? Are you looking to replace or upgrade your system? If so, you need coast-to-coast heating and air conditioning. We offer high-efficiency heating and air conditioning systems that save energy and money, and we provide customizable solutions to match your family's lifestyle and comfort level. We also offer a full range of top-quality commercial heating and cooling solutions. So give us a call today for all your heating and air conditioning needs. We look forward to working with you. Coast to Coast Heating and Air Conditioning, 352-229-6221.